This is Sarah. Sarah is in a bit of a bad situation with credit. Her score is currently 216 on Experian. She started her own company about 4 years ago, which was doing well, but she's been losing money for the last 6 months. She might even have to close down her business because she's struggling to get a loan from the bank. She had previously taken out a credit card and a loan for the company, but has recently been late on paying these back too. This has affected her personal credit as well. She doesn't have enough money coming in to cover all her bills. She got a CCJ in the last couple of months, but has paid that off now and it is satisfied on her file. Across 3 loans and credit cards, she has debt totaling about £2,500. She also has a payday loan, which she is still repaying monthly. Her long-term debt totals around £40,000, and that's from 2 cars bought through finance. She's struggling to make the payments on these each month because she can't get enough work. She wants to rebuild her credit as soon as possible, but she doesn't know how to tell her creditors that she doesn't have the money right now to afford her payments. This is a pretty straightforward case, actually. She basically has way too much debt right now. And the missed payments won't be helping the situation either. A big thing that will be dragging her score down is the payday loan. Having a debt to a payday loan company will have a very different effect to having £100 unpaid on a credit card. Even if it is only for £100, payday loans will actively lower your score. Sarah needs to pay this back as soon as possible. Taking out any new credit would be a really bad idea right now as well. Adding an extra credit card, for example, could actually bring her score down even more. Any money she has spare should be going towards repaying her payday loan, and then her other loans and missed payments. In order of highest interest to lowest, she needs to bring the credit card balances down to below 30% if possible. If she thinks realistically that she can pay back all her debts, she just needs a little more time, then she should contact a debt advice charity like Step Change and ask them to help her sort out a debt management plan with her lenders, work out a more achievable repayment rate. She also needs to be a bit careful with the business credit that she has because she has a personal guarantee on these loans, and so if it defaults, then this will also affect her personal credit directly. Once she's paid down some of the debt she has, it could be worth taking out a new line of credit like Bits, because there definitely is some merit to having a clean line of credit on your credit file, but this needs to be after she's cleared some of the current debt. But the main message to Sarah here is focus on the debt and the score will follow. And as always, please remember this is not financial advice and you shouldn't rely on it to make any financial decisions.